Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're on a mission to shed some extra pounds and boost your overall well-being, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 10 fruits that are not only delicious, but also incredible allies in your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Number 10, grapefruit. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the mighty grapefruit. Packed with enzymes that aid in fat burning, this citrus gem can be a zesty addition to your weight loss arsenal. Plus, it's a refreshing way to kickstart your day. Number 9, berries. We have a trio of super berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Bursting with antioxidants and fiber, these colorful delights not only satisfy your sweet cravings, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 8, watermelon. We have the ultimate hydrating fruit, watermelon. With its high water content and low calories, watermelon makes for a guilt-free snack that's perfect for curbing those midday cravings. Number 7, apples. The saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" holds true, especially for weight loss. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, promoting a healthy digestive system. Number 6, avocado. Taking the 6th spot on our list is the creamy and versatile avocado. Rich in healthy fats, avocados can help control appetite and keep you satiated. Try adding them to salads or spreading them on whole grain toast for a tasty treat. Number 5, pears. These juicy delights are rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping you stay fuller for longer. They're a perfect sweet and crunchy snack. Number 4, oranges. Oranges high in vitamin C and fiber. Oranges can aid in boosting your metabolism and keeping your energy levels up. Plus, they're a portable and refreshing snack option. Number 3, pineapple. Pineapple packed with bromelain, an enzyme that supports digestion, pineapple can be a sweet and satisfying addition to your weight loss diet. Number 2, banana. Taking the runner-up position is the humble banana. Despite their natural sugars, bananas are rich in potassium and resistant starch, making them a filling and energizing choice for those on the go. Number 1, kiwi. And now, claiming the top spot on our list is the kiwi. This small but powerful fruit is a nutrient powerhouse, boasting high fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's a perfect addition to your weight loss toolkit. There you have it, our top 10 fruits for weight loss. Remember, incorporating a variety of these fruits into your diet, coupled with a balanced lifestyle, can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. If you enjoyed today's countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.